Hi guys, welcome back. So we have just installed Apache Spark. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that we have Java 8 installed on our machine, specifically the JDK. So I hope that you guys do have it installed. If not, let us locate the JDK file from Oracle. So let's open up our web browser. I'll click on a new tab and then we can search for Java 8 JDK download. Okay, and then it should take us to this page with this link called Java SE Development Kit 8. Let's click on that. Okay, so this is the page that we want to be in, right? And then before we download a file, we need to accept the license agreement and then search for the Windows x64 version, which is JDK 8 U241. So I think you need to register before you can download this. So let's try. Okay, so it will send you to a login page if you haven't downloaded the file here before from Oracle. You need to create a profile. I already have created a profile a very long time ago, and I already do have JDK 8 installed on my machine. So you know where to go to get the file. If you need to create a profile or if you already know your sign-in details, you are welcome to sign in and make sure that you download that file, and then the installation will be straightforward. It's just double clicking the install file and then pressing next all the time. Right, when you have done installing Java JDK 8, the next thing that we need to do is we need to check if it is installed by running Java version. So Java dash version. As you can see, I have a slightly older version than the latest one, but nonetheless I still have Java JDK 8 installed, so that is enough for Spark. Okay, and the next thing that we need to do is which is an optional step for specifically for older versions of Spark. Let's go back to our C drive, and then we right click, create a new folder. We call it temp tmp. Okay, and then we double click inside tmp, and then we create another folder called Hive. So the Hive metastore requires this path temp Hive, so that whatever we are doing while Hadoop and Spark is running and wherever Hive is being used, it needs a place to cache the information that it's busy with, and usually it will require us to create a temp Hive folder somewhere, right? But with the latest version of Spark, we no longer need to do this because it creates its own temp folder and then it uses that folder wherever it is. So we don't necessarily need to do this. This is just an optional step in case you are using an older version of Spark. Okay, so once we have that, then we have completed our installation. And then in the next video, we will be testing our installation to see if Apache Spark is installed and it's working properly. So thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video.